Hi guys, my name is Jasper, and today this video is going to talk about the importance of file extension. So, what is file extension? File extension is a suffix at the end of a computer file, and file extension are used by the operating system to identify what applications are associated with what type of file is it. For example, what apps will be open when you double click the specific file. And there are many types of file extension existed. For example, for document we have docs, doc, PDF, and text file. For images we have GIF, JPEG, and PNG. And for audio file we have WAV, MP3, and VGM. And for video we have MPEG, MP4, and MOV. And there are a lot of file extensions for different type of file. And now is a demonstration part. So now, before we start our demonstration, we need to go to the File Explorer and go to the View option and press the Show and enable the file name extension. So now, after we enable the file name extension, we can check our file extension right after the file name. So now we start our first example. First we create a text file, then we name it as example, then we type a single command, print hello world inside the text file. Then save it. After that, we right click, go to properties, and then we change the file name into example.py. And if you change from a text file into a Python script file, then we go to cmd, which is command prompt, and we type python example.py, which will run the Python script file. And then hello world will be shown in the command prompt. And this shows that file name extension can be easily changed and replaced by another file extension. So, talk about file extension. There is a website which is recommended for people to surf when they want to find some information about file extension. So, we open our Chrome browser and we search file ext, and there is a website called filext, and we click it, and this is how the website look like. And then we go to the middle part, and there are a list of alphabet being shown, and inside each of the alphabet there are a list of file extension being shown, which is represent different kind of type of file. In this website, there are also another function which we can upload our file and check our file extension. For example, and now we upload an exe file on it, and we can check it. What file is it? Is it the file extension being modified? And check the content of the file. For example, this exe file, its original type of file is txt file, and the content is a notepad virus, which will cause the user cannot be able to access the internet. And there are others information of the file. For example, its size, its type, and when did it create. Then we submit another zip file. And we can see this zip file is really a zip file, and even its original type also a zip file, and others. But in this zip file, it contains some different type of file, and we can also see that at the upper side, it do show to us what file is inside this zip file. And there are two exe files, which are ftp console.exe and ftp basic csvr.exe, and some basic information of this file. For example, type of file, file size, when does it created. So that's all for this demonstration and this video. Thank you for watching.